Probably Alt key in the keyboard is one of the least used keys but having more hidden functions. Here is the list of Alt key codes which makes the symbol insertion in Windows-based computers very simple. Inserting symbols and special characters like trademark and copyright in any Windows softwares like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel is very simple with the use of Alt key in the keyboard. Shortcuts without using numbers to insert symbols like trademark, copyright, registered, etc. It should work in all type of keyboards. For copyright symbol press Alt, Ctrl, and C. For trademark symbol press Alt, Ctrl, and T. For continuation symbol press Alt, Ctrl, and Dot. For Euro currency symbol press Alt, Ctrl, and E. For registered symbol press Alt, Ctrl, and R.